Well, I'm going to try another experiment. Everything was doing good until a couple of days ago when it was really hot and everything got cooked. There's my beans, my yard beans. They were beautiful, big beans. And then one day, this happened. So today, I did what most Thai people do. I put this see-through protector thing as a roof. There's a door on the other side. So the sun can't get in, which sounds unusual. Trying to keep the sun out. But anywhere in Thailand that has plants has this as a roof, so must be something to it. There's a few of my Thai peppers, chili plants I transplanted yesterday. I have tons of these things. I had 6 pots like this. All the seeds out of one pepper. I speckled them in 6 pots and they're all full. Transplanted most, or half now. These I did yesterday. Gotta find a way to get these beans to grow. Absolutely delicious, but here's a small one right here. It's a different variety. It's got a purple stripe. Still tastes the same though. And all the other ones, we ate them. Just hope the plants come back. If they don't, it's alright. I planted some more today in this box. So we'll see what happens. Oh, and this is my compost. The one success story I have. Beautiful soil. It's got a few little bits of leaves in it, but I have 6 of those. Sorry, 4 of those cans full. Look at this. Alright, well that's it.